Let's just jump right into this. We are going to make some boiled eggs in our Instapot. I'm using a Ninja Foodie Instapot, and you always want to make sure it has at least half a cup to 1 cup of water. I am going to use the wire rack that come with it. Then we are going to place 6 eggs on this rack. And by the way, I want to give a shout out to Kimmy from Kimmy's Southern Cooking. I watched a video where she did the boiled eggs because this is the first time I've ever used my Instapot for this. I've had it now for maybe a year or so, the Instapot and air fryer. I love it. Don't be scared of it at all. It's so easy to use. You're going to make sure it's in the seal position, lock the top on. Then we are going to turn it on and set it for pressure and set that for 6 minutes on high. And then once your 6 minutes are up, we are going to do what is called a natural release. We are going to let this start counting up. You'll see it counting up and let it count up to 6 minutes. This just means that it is slowly releasing the pressure. Once your 6 minutes is up, go ahead and use your tongs and move that seal off. I saw Kimmy do that in her video and I thought, how smart. And that way the steam doesn't hit you in the face. And then once you've cut that off, you've cut your Instapot off, go ahead and open your lid and always keep it away from your face. And then you can just set that in your sink. It's that easy. And we're going to take those eggs out and we are going to put them in an ice bath for 5 minutes. I really ended up leaving my eggs in that bowl for 6 minutes. And I told my husband there was something wrong with this. I'm making deviled eggs. I put him 6 eggs in there for 6 minutes in the Instapot and put natural release for 6 minutes. And then I put them in the ice bath for 6 minutes. So, that's just too many sixes. I'm thinking, no wonder they call them deviled eggs. But then you just tap them together and they peel so easily. They were literally sliding out of my hands. You seen that, didn't you? I will never make boiled eggs the same way ever again, y'all. Again, big shout out to Kimmy for teaching us how to use our Instapot to make boiled eggs.